Hey guys, just wanted to make this quick video and talk about the word failure. Too many times the word failure has a negative connotation and too many people are too afraid of that word. If you want to be successful, if you want to be rich, if you want to be wealthy, I'm here to tell you, don't be afraid of that word. In fact, embrace it. Like, you can't learn to ride a bike without falling a couple of times. Same thing with working out. If you want to be successful and you want to be fit, in the gym, when you're lifting weights and you're struggling with those heavy weights, you're actually working yourself till failure. And it's in that time, it's when your muscles are fatigued and it's failing, that's the time of growth. And you push beyond it and you push beyond failure, and that's when you see the greatest amount of growth. So I want to tell you guys, don't be afraid of failure, embrace it. The three lessons most successful people have is they aren't afraid of failing. The three tips I want to give you today is: number one, fail forward, fail often, and fail faster. Make failure into a positive word. Don't be afraid of it.